Hi everybody, my name is David Shah and I'm one of the self trainers at Aspire Square. Today we are going to discuss about reading part 1. So let's have a look at what exactly reading part 1 will make me come across. Now, like I said, that reading part 1 is going to have a particular question along with some information that is called reading correspondence at times. So let's have a look. But for this, there are some instructions which we must always be aware about, as they would only help us to answer all the questions more accurately. So the first thing is, in entire reading module, whenever you are attempting any particular part and you have finished and you have moved to the next one, you will not be able to go back in the official test. So make sure that you focus on whatever you are attempting, as you will be able to attempt it only once. Although you can make the changes while you are on that particular part. So, second important thing is there is always a timer on the right top of the examination screen, because time management is very important in the entire reading module. As at times we have noticed that there are some candidates who lack in time management skills and eventually run short on getting more accuracy. So please take care of that. And approximately each reading part will have a duration of close to 10 minutes. So either it can be somewhere close to 11 or 9 minutes, or it would always be close to 10. So let's have a look at part 1 of reading. Now, this is a demo that we have created, and the number of questions might actually differ a bit as compared to the official examination. So, the type of information that is shared on the left side of the examination screen right now here on my screen is somewhat similar to what you might come across. But yes, the entire reading module and all four parts might be jumbled up. Okay, so for example, the one that I'm explaining as part 1 can also be your part 4. Okay, and your part 4 can be your part 2. So let's have a look at the information on the left side. We have been given an email. So it is very much suggested to skim the email before a candidate actually starts solving all the questions that are given on the right side. So I'll be going through the email, which might take a couple of minutes. So I'll just focus upon the keywords. Okay. Say for example, if I start reading the email, it says to Sally. So that is the person to whom somebody is writing an email. Okay. And that somebody is no one else but Adam. Okay. That is name mentioned at the end. So if I go through the first paragraph, it says, my departure for Canada is nearby and I'm too much occupied with arrangements. I've taken an admission at a college XYZ in English in Ottawa for a 10-month beginner's course part-time. It is a lot expensive, but I am expecting of enhancing my pronunciation, especially. To help in managing the expenses of my course, I have a goal to look for a part-time work. Not only are the fees high, but also I know that sharing accommodation in the city center will be equally costly, to say nothing of meals and hefty expenses. So I would surely like to manage some part-time job before I reach. I was thinking if you could ask around among your coworkers and pals to see if anybody requires a home cleaner, caretaker, or babysitter for their kids. I'm aware that you have a huge social network in Ottawa wherein you could pass a message for me if you wouldn't mind. I'd be very thankful. I look forward to seeing you soon. Best wishes, Adam. Now, after going through the email, when I see question number 1 here on the right top, it says Adam has taken an admission in. Okay, so right now we have listed the options in one row, but in your examination, the options will be available in the drop down menu. So you would actually have to click on that drop down menu so that you can see the list of options. And then all you have to do is just click on the correct option which you feel, and it must be highlighted, and then you can move on to the next question. So likewise, as we see, we have listed 4 questions along with 4 options for each one of them. Okay, so if I feel that option A is correct, maybe, then I can just select the same in my examination screen and I can move on to question number 2, which says he is writing in context of dash. Now I need to complete this sentence by looking at the information that is given in the email and by looking at the options which are listed. So that's how I need to solve all 4 questions. Okay. And the second part, if we see this thing, okay, which says here is a response to the message, complete the response by filling in the blanks, select the best choice. So what we need to do is herein, it is very important that we take a look at not only the email but also this part, because we need to consider as if we are writing this email. Okay, so if I will be Sally, okay, and if I will be writing an email reply to Sally, okay, to Adam actually, okay, because that's what the email that has been written, right? So if I consider myself writing this part, then I'll be like, dear Adam, I'm glad to know that you have got an admission in your dream college, as you must be busy with. Now busy with what? So the information is somewhat mentioned already in the email that is on the left side. So I'll be focusing upon the keywords mentioned there, and I'll select the best options which I have got available here. Okay. Say for example, if I feel that option number C is correct, then maybe I can just select that and move on to the next sentence. So it says, I would like to inform you that the course you've chosen is in very demand these days. Then there is a second paragraph which says, I totally agree with you about the expenses being sky high, but it would be dash. So I need to again complete the sentence by looking at the options, and I also need to tally the same with the information which must correlate always. Okay, and then I'll continue reading the same. So it says, after you have completed the same, the lifestyle is pretty hectic, yet weekends are extremely chilling out. Looking at your concern of finding a job, I have passed on your message in my dash. Okay, so there has been given 4 options. I'll have a look at that and I'll select one. Group. Hope to receive a positive response by the time you reach. Best of luck, Sally. Okay. So now to do all these things, you will be given 11 minutes maximum. Okay. So you need to spend somewhere around maybe a minute to skim this email, and then after you can spend about 40-50 seconds to solve each and every question, because that's what you can spare, so that you can attend all of them, and you can even have a look after attending what all is going well, and then you can move on to part 2. So once I'll click next, okay, you guys will be able to see the answer key. So I would suggest you all to please attempt this particular question that we have shared and created for you guys before you watch the further video. Okay, so I'll give you guys a timer of 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, you guys will be able to see the answer key. Okay. Okay. Now, here is the answer key for all the 7 questions that we created, where we can see that answer number 1 is college, answer 2 part-time job, answer 3 height, answer 4 extremely big, answer 5 preparations, answer 6 surely work, answer 7 social networking. So in the actual examination, you may come across maximum 10 or 11 questions in part 1. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys to understand what you will come across in one of the parts of the 4 parts of reading module. Please do stay tuned, and we will be coming across many more such videos of self-examination. And if in case you have any queries, please feel free to contact us on www.aspiresquare.com or else 8866880707. Myself, Jamin Shah, signing off for now. Take care. All the best.